and I have interest in this
Keep your interest
area.
for yourself.
Everald Warmington, everyone's favorite politician. But here's a funny thing I've noticed. Everyone claims that they love Everald Warmington because he's so honest and down to earth and tell it as it is. But every, or maybe most of who are saying this would not want to deal with Everald Warmington. So it's such a fascinating thing I've noticed, that Jamaicans tend to encourage, entertain and pretend that they like bad behavior until that bad behavior comes knocking at their door. Similar to crime and violence. Everybody love bad man. Everybody love to sing a bad man anthem until badness comes knocking at their door. Mind you, this is not an attack at Everald Warmington, so you can calm down. Or maybe it is, I don't know. Anyways, point is though, the behavior that everyone claims that they like is a behavior that most would not want to deal with. So do you really like it? Or is it that you like to see people be dealt with harshly? You like to see people being disrespected? And if that's the case, something's wrong with you. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Oh, and I almost forgot. Ensure that you like, follow, share, comment. I want to hear from you in the comment section. Trying to create a community of world thinkers. And I want you, yes you, to be a part of that community.